Are you tired of buying courses, methods, software, and other tools that promise to make you money with affiliate marketing? But no matter how hard you work, you don't seem to get results. I know how you feel because I've been there too. I wasn't always a seven-figure marketer. When I started out, I tried just about everything, wasted a lot of time, and struggled to get serious results online, and I'm here to tell you, it's not your fault that you keep struggling to get results. The gurus have lied to you over and over again. Don't get me wrong. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make a lot of money. Just look at the results I'm getting in my spare time. But it's just not as easy as they all say it is. If you're starting out, affiliate marketing can be really complicated. You need to be able to do technical stuff like graphics, sales, copy, and setting everything up. You have to find the best offers to promote. You have to be able to find visitors to send to your affiliate links. You have to spend time and money testing things out. If you want to get the best results possible, you have to build an email list. This takes time, money, and effort, and most affiliate marketers give up and quit before they ever get solid results. Unfortunately, none of the gurus out there tell you any of this. They sugarcoat things and they make affiliate marketing sound really easy, and that's because they know if they told you that it could take weeks, months, years to make solid money as an affiliate, you wouldn't buy their products. Plus, the more you struggle, the more money you'll spend buying courses and training and trying to finally get results online. The good news is there's a much better way. I put together a complete system that finally makes it easy for anyone to get massive results online without any hard work or affiliate marketing experience required. By introducing the OLSP system. This is the new and easier way to do affiliate marketing in 2022 and beyond. The OLSP system is a complete system that finally makes it easier to get big results with affiliate marketing regardless of your prior experience. OLSP stands for One Lead System Pixel. That means inside OLSP, all you have to do is 1. Send traffic to the single mega link. Will even show you how to get free traffic and even send you 300 to 400 visitors per month for free. 2. Our team handles everything. We write all the emails, we do all the selling, and we even upsell your visitors into high-ticket offers that pay up to $3,000 commissions. Everything is proven and done for you. 3. Use the including training to up your game and boost your results. The more visitors you send, the more money you'll make, in addition to getting access to your very own mega link and free traffic that we send you. You'll also get access to ongoing training so you can stay up to date on what's working right now for the best results possible. You never have to worry about finding products to promote because that's done for you too. We've created multiple products that are already proven to convert. Just send traffic to your mega link and will continually sell to your visitors, and you get paid for life. We even have a sales team that will convert the visitors you send to your mega link into high-ticket commissions that pay as much as $3,000 per sale. There's nothing else for you to purchase because everything you need is included inside, so you can end shiny object syndrome forever. Since we send you traffic and we do all the selling for you, this is the last thing you will ever need. There's nothing else you need to buy, and you can do this in your spare time and make some serious results. Results like these. Of course, the best part about the OLSP system is the price. When you get started right now, we're slashing this price and making it effectively free to get. Of course, the best part about the OLSP system is the price. When you get started right now, we're slashing this price and making it effectively free to get access to OLSP. The normal price to join is $99 a month, which is a massive value when you consider how much my team and I are doing for you to ensure you get results and make money. But I want to make this a no-brainer. So, how does free sound? Here's how it works. We're going to reduce the price of your first month from $99 per month to just $27 per month, which you'll pay today. We want you to succeed. So when you complete your training, we'll give you back the $27 and deposit it right into your commission account, which makes your first month or membership effectively free. But please don't wait around, the price on this is going up soon. And if you close this page and come back later, you'll find yourself paying the normal price for access.
Although the highly discounted first month makes this a no-brainer. We don't want anything to stop you from jumping on this right now.